Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to record data on a USB stick for further processing or analysis for your CORIO CD and CORIO CP circulators. First of all, you have to connect the USB stick to your CORIO. To record data on the CORIO CD, simply press and hold up arrow and OK simultaneously until the display shows log I. A flashing dot on the display indicates activation of the recording. To stop the recording, simply use the same key combination. The display will then show log O. To record data on the CORIO CP, you have to use the menu. Let's have a look. You simply press Menu and select the menu option Data and then Log. There you can turn the recording on. Again, a flashing dot on the display indicates activation of the recording. To stop, use the same menu and choose Off. By the way, you can unplug the USB stick while your CORIO is still running. No problem. CORIO CD and CP units also have a so-called black box. It stores all relevant data and logs alarm and warning messages from the last 20 minutes. For the CORIO CD, simply press OK and the hidden service button at the same time to save the black box data. On the CORIO CP, simply press Menu and select Data as before and record data. But instead of log, select BB and confirm with Yes. In case of any problem, you simply send the black box data to the JULABO technical service. We will provide you with the fastest and most efficient solution. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.